In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own API key for Claude by Anthropic. An API key will let you use Claude AI in any third-party app you want, like Zapier for automation or Cursor for quick coding. Creating an API key is an essential first step for any custom AI project, so let's jump in and get started. Head on over to platform.claude.com. Note that this is the platform side, it's not the chat side. So you will need a completely separate account with separate billing for the platform as opposed to the monthly chat service. Having an active Claude subscription does not get you credit for the API platform. And inversely, you don't need to have a Claude subscription in order to use the API side of the platform. Click Continue. Sign in to your Google account. If you're just setting up your account, you're going to need to enter in this basic information to start. So what's your full name? We'll do Robin the Robot. What should we call you? How about R&R? And continue. This is just going to be an individual account. You could set this up for your organization if you'd like, though. And wait a few minutes. Now we're ready to create the API key. So click on Get API Key. The key name is pre-filled, but we want to use this for something. So name it something descriptive, like Zapier 1. We can leave the workspace as is and click Create API Key. We're now given the key that you can click on this button to copy it. Know that this is the last time that you'll see the full API key. After you paste it where you need it, you can click Continue and close this dialog. Since this is the first API key we've created, Claude is encouraging us to explore the console and reference the API. But for now, let's just go to API keys. This is our one API key, but it's common that you want to have a different API key for different projects. So if you want to create another one, just click on this button here and name it something else, like a different platform that you're working on. Call it Pipedream. Again, you're presented with the API key in full that you can copy and paste to wherever you need it. And again, once you close this dialog, you'll never be able to access this API key again. You'll need to create a new one and put it wherever you need it next time. Let's check out billing. You'll notice that Claude is super generous and gives you $5 worth of free credits. Now, that can go quite a long way. Notice that these models charge on a per million token basis. Now, your prompt is generally going to cost less than a penny on a per run basis. That's because a token is roughly 4 characters. So you're going to be doing things in the hundreds of tokens, not in the millions of tokens. So if you look at the newest model, you're seeing $5 per million tokens for Claude 4.5 Opus. And you can see some older models are actually more expensive, like Opus 3. Choose your model carefully. I'd recommend starting with Haiku or Sonnet first. Those are going to be cheaper models and they might get the job done just fine for you. But you have $5 free, so give it a test. And if you want to go big with Opus 4.5, you can. Need help building your own low-code AI projects? XRay Hourly matches builders like you with vetted experts for one-on-one collaborative sessions. We'll help you get your project up and running and show you how it all works at the same time. There's no long-term commitment, just schedule as much time as you need on a flexible hourly basis. Go to hourly.xray.tech to get started. With a Claude API key, you can use their latest and greatest models, or their cheapest and quickest ones, with any automation provider, vibe coding tool, or other third-party software that you want. Let me know in the comments below, what are you building with Claude, and what are you getting stuck on? Tell me about it, and I just might make a video about the topic. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company XRay by searching for XRay Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go. So until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.